Hello, I'm the Executive Committee member of the Kusanagi Education Fest. This is the Kusanagi Education Fest Executive Committee. On July 22nd and 23rd, 2023, we will be holding an educational event at Shizuoka Salesian High School and Elementary School in Shizuoka City, Shizuoka Prefecture. This event is completely free and open to everyone. Over the 2 days, we will invite people who are active in Japan and around the world to share their learning about the future of education, the environment, and diversity. Keynote speeches, panel discussions, case studies, presentations by high school students, and more. The content of the event is rich and varied. The venues are Marion Hall of Shizuoka Salesian High School on Saturday, July 22nd, and Don Bosco Studio of Shizuoka Salesian Elementary School on Sunday, July 23rd. There is also an official website. Please feel free to visit us.